Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. All that really does help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I'm going to share with you is a 12-piece set aerator replacement for your faucet. So we're going to go over how to actually replace your aerator in your faucet. And the set I got here is by a company called BBTO. And what's cool about it, so aerators in your faucet come as two styles. They come where it's exposed, which you can just simply use a pair of pliers to remove, or concealed. So like the one I have for my Moen faucet is concealed, and I lost naturally the key. So I picked up this set. It comes with 5 different key sizes. You have the largest one is an M24, then you go down to an M22.5, then you go down to an M21.5, then an M18.5, and an M16.5. And as you can see, there are like little grooves here. You're going to line that up with inside your faucet, and then just go ahead and twist. Now, you may need to kind of work at it if it's got a lot of corrosion buildup. You need to break that loose before it pops out. But just kind of work with it clockwise, and then it will go ahead and come out. Now, your option after this point is to clean your existing aerator. But if it's got a lot of gunk on it, this set that I got also includes a bunch of different replacement aerators. So they're all made out of plastic, and you're going to get 3 sizes, or 3 of each size. So you got basically the one that it fits a 2.37 millimeter faucet opening. And then all of these aerators, which is nice about them, they just screw in. They have a little rubber gasket to keep it from leaking. They have the little kind of plastic part that's what's doing the aeration, and then the replacement actually also has a screwdriver slot, so you can use a screwdriver or even a coin to remove these if you happen to lose the keys again, which is another reason why I liked it. Now, they all are made out of plastic, which means less corrosion, no rusting or anything like that. This is the next size, which is the 21.3 millimeter size. And then what's also, now obviously with the plastic, you know, they're more likely, they could possibly break if you are really rough with them. But once they're in place, they're going to be in place. And like I said, there are no metal components to rust or corrode, which is really nice. Then you get an 18.2 size. You get 3 of those. And then finally, the smallest size, you get the 16.3 size. So great little set. If you're not really sure what aerator you have in your faucet, this is a nice little set because you get a little bit of everything, so you can figure out what you need. And then, of course, naturally, you get the keys, which makes the set worth it alone, because you really need these to remove those concealed faucet aerators. So overall, very, very easy to do. Anybody can do it. You don't need a plumber or anything like that. If you are noticing that your faucet's just not putting out the water pressure like it used to, it could be the aerator, so it's worth checking out. If there is something that I have not quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.